Hi guys, this is the quick review and installation guide about the Kwikset Powerbolt 2 touchpad keyless entry system. It comes with a lifetime warranty on finishing and mechanical. It has six user codes and some special features, like the most important thing for me is that an alarm sounds after 5 consecutive incorrect codes are entered, so that helps or it improves the security. Of course, it has a Masercode which helps you to add additional codes or remove codes. Has other features which you will see, like Illuminated keypad. That's a very good thing. Low battery indicator. It has a key, of course. If a battery is low, you can work with a key. It works with different sizes of the hole. I will show it to you later. The most important thing, it says installs in minutes with just a screwdriver, no hard wiring needed. So let's see if that really works. Here you see the measurements of the outside and here the inside with the handle. So the parts which you get are these: outside, inside, the latch, and inside panel. Yeah, put it down a little bit. The latch, inside panel, battery cover, strike, and a few keys, of course. Yeah, like emergency keys, and a few screws. So how are we putting this together? The thing is, you have to measure. If you of course you have to remove the old stuff, the old lock which you have, and then you have to measure the diameter of the hole outside. Of course inside it's the same. So if you have 2 inches, that's perfect, because if it's smaller it will be a lot of work, or at least more work. You will see this in the user guide. I'll show it to you. This is the user guide. Here as well you have the parts, and here you see that it's made for 2 sizes, like 54 millimeters bigger, and also works for smaller ones, but then you have to adapt it somehow. The gap here for the latch has to be 25 millimeters. So yeah, bigger or smaller. With bigger it's better, and I have bigger, so it was really quite easy to install. So yeah, this is the position of the latch. I show it to you later on how it really works. And here you have 2 instructions. Here you have the instruction for the smaller side, so you have to prepare, you have to replace a little bit parts. If you have bigger size, no problem, you have to do nothing. Step 5, same thing. If it's bigger, you have to do nothing. Be smaller, you have to adapt a little bit. Then point 6 is the keypad mounting, 7 battery side inside, and so on. There's nothing really great. And here you see the strike which is delivered, and key, emergency key as well. So okay, I'm going to show how this works. The latch comes from the outside, outside from the inside of the door, you have to just make sure that this part with the gap is on top. So then what I had to do is I had a bigger hole, but it was not not quite the right size. It was just almost the right size, and I had to use this sanding thing. I don't know the name of this. I put this to my screwdriver and extended the hole a little bit, so I was able to put this on. So it was really close. So I just needed a little bit of extension. So I hope it will work for you too. So how do we start? We start with the latch. Again, make that this piece is on the top. Then you have to make sure that this is horizontal. So it is, and we put this thing, I think it should be in the middle. Let's try to move it through this hole in the middle. Okay, and the cable comes underneath the latch, and then you have to put on the inside plate on the door. This is like this, so the top should go to the outside. This thing goes to the hole, through the hole, and the cable has to be fed through this gap. So that's about it. And then we need the 2 screws. Okay, put the camera a little bit down so you can see it better. Okay, we have it here. So screw 1, screw number 2, they fit quite good. So you see, even with my hand, it's easy to screw them in almost full way. Okay, now it's like this. And next thing is we have to attach the battery compartment with the handle. So the most important thing is to match the red mark. So I hope you can see that red goes to red, of course. Okay, that's in, and now we have to try to find a way that this cable won't be squeezed between the box and the door, of course. And here we have to put this into this hole, but now we have to make sure that the handle is in the right position. Now the lock is open, so we put it in the open position. Okay, and that should be probably this. Okay, you've seen that? This plastic thing or metal, I don't know what it is. We have to put it in here. And now we fit it together. It's almost done. Now we do a test that it really works. Okay, you see the lock closes and opens. And what we have to do actually, we have some extra screws, 3 screws actually. Here is the third one. So they come, one comes here and the two other ones here. I don't screw them in, it's just for a demonstration purpose. So, and now I can close the battery compartment as well, of course. Just slides from the top actually. Usually it's very easy. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky when I have to hold everything together. So, okay, that's it so far. Actually, it should work. Let's try. If we want to close the lock, we just press here. Okay, that worked. And if we want to open, we just enter the key, which is at the moment this one. So you see it opens. So yeah, I will delete this code later on, so don't try this on my door. And anyway, yeah, if you try 5 times wrong, it will be there will be an alarm. Yeah, so I will put another alarm code later on, of course, so it's not necessary to find out where I live. Okay, that's it so far. As it will work, you see, both sides, very good. And also I can use the key. Let's see if that works too. Yes. Okay, you see the key from outside, or the code, or the handle from inside. These are the 3 ways how you can open that. I have to find out how that. Yeah, okay. So that was pretty easy. If you don't have any problems with the size of the hole or anything special, then it should be really easy. A couple thing of 15 minutes, plus you need some time to add your add the codes or change the Masercode and so on. But it's really pretty straightforward, no big problems so far. I hope it will work for you too. Yeah, that was it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching anyway. See you next time.